It's swoop time, and here is my haul for March the 9th, 2019. And I was at Walmart today, and this is what I picked up. I got a good deal on the clearance aisle, and that's all. I just swooped them, took everything they had there, and the lady that was putting them all on the shelf was so happy I took them all. Hey there, Brixers and Lego friends. Well, I had a major swoop today at Walmart. This is not all of it, because I have 9 more boxes of purple still out in the car, and it's just kind of too cold to get out there to get them. I just grabbed the bags that I could grab because I had some groceries and other stuff I had to get in the house as well. So they're still out there. I'll pick them up in a few minutes. I'll go back out and get them, but I wanted to get this video done. So basically, they were the 2-color purple ones, pink purple, and I got 9 boxes of them. They were at $4 a piece. I got 2 boxes of the black ones here. They were $4 a piece. The gray ones, they were $4 a piece. Well, they only had the one. And 2 boxes of red. So it's pretty neat what you get inside them. They're a little bit different, each box. The red and gray pretty much are the same. The pink and purple are more like this one right here, the black ones. But I think they're basically all the same. It's just the printing on the box looks just different. And like the purple ones look like that one up there as opposed to these boxes here. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Deal is good. 250 pieces of assorted bricks, as you can see right there. And they're great for building stuff. They are real high quality bricks. I mean, I would say they are like next to Lego. Second to none. I will buy these, and I will use these for a lot of mocks and stuff. And you know, building on the base of something, and then maybe covering it with some Lego or something if you wanted to finish it off with Lego on the top. But they're great. I used the black ones for my haunted ghost train. So if you have a look at that video, you can see all the black. Most of it is made of this, and I mean, these things really go together well. So for $4 for the 250 pieces, well worth it. They were selling originally at $9.99. They had these marked down to $7, and some they had marked down to $5. The pink ones were marked down to $5, and then they marked them down to $4. I guess they're just wanting to get rid of them. I don't know why. They're not selling all that great. They're great. I just originally bought one to try them, and they're great. The colors are a little bit more richer, like the red and the pinks and that. They're richer than the Lego colors, so they're not quite the same, but from a distance you can't tell the difference. And if you're building something of a mock or whatever, and you put this in the back or use them for reinforcements like you would do, say, for other name bricks, then, you know, why not use them, right? These surpass Mega Blocks, I will say that. Especially the old Mega Blocks. Well, the new ones are pretty good now too, but these ones right here, they're second to Lego. They're almost like the Kobe's. Yeah, they're almost like the Kobe bricks, or one of the other brand of bricks. They fit together well. The clutch power is excellent in these things, and I've built quite a bit out of them. My Olaf mock that I made last year was made pretty much about 90% out of the white ones. People bought the white ones up. They were snatched up like the day that they came out. But all the other colors like black and gray and red and blue, green, what else did they have? Yellow, the pink, purple, and then the triple pink. They had, what else did they have? That's about it. They still got tons of the boxes, like of trees and stuff like that. They're okay. They're not the best looking things, so like I'd pass on that. They have wheel sets and door set and stuff like that. Now they come out with a bigger box of stuff like, you know, this stuff here, but in a big box. So that was pretty cool. So, if I can find the pink ones in a hurry, I'm going to get them in this video. But this is a major swoop today. So anyway, I went out and got the boxes of pink purple ones, and here they are right here. So you can see there's like pink and purple. So the number of pieces inside are kind of mixed up. They're not all the same, but still pretty cool though. So instead of having maybe 20 of one color, it's 20 divided by 2, so you get like 10 of this and 10 of that. So that's just an example. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.